Okay, guys, hello, Mr. Phil here. I know you can't see my face, but I just wanted to walk you through a quick little tutorial on how to use Zoom. You can use Zoom on your computer or through a web browser, or you can download the app for Apple phones or Android phones. I'll explain a little bit later how to use the Android or iPhone apps. But for now, I'm just going to walk you through how to use the zoom.com or the web browser version of it. And it's really simple. You're just going to go to zoom.com, or here it says zoom.us. Either one will work. Actually, I'll go to the home screen first. So here's zoom.com, the home screen, zoom.us. Um, if you're going to download the app or use this, I highly suggest you sign up for an account. So up here in the right corner in this blue box that I'm kind of highlighting where it says sign up, it's free. All you have to do is click on it and you go and enter your work email address or whatever email address you want, and then you sign up. It's that simple. You can sign in with Google or Facebook as well. The home screen. And this is where you're going to go up at the top. When you want to join a meeting, you just go to join a meeting. It says right there and click. And then here in this box, it's going to tell you to enter a personal link name or meeting ID. I have that number and I'm going to provide it later in this video. All you need to do is enter that number into this box and then click join, and then you'll join the video conference room. So I have set times on Monday and Wednesday from 3 to 7 for right now. We're going to test it out and see how it goes. Um, and we're not going to separate times into levels or anything like that. All I'm doing is going to leave that 4-hour period where I will be online the entire time, and students can join at any time you want. I highly suggest that you target this time as a time mostly for asking questions. If you want to log on and do homework and be able to see my face, I'll be here, and I'll be answering questions and talking to students. I can talk to parents as well. So there's a lot of capability that we have. I actually ordered the pro version, so I can do things with whiteboard where I can write on the screen and the students can see solutions or steps. So I'm trying to make it as easily accessible and functional as possible so that we all together can get through this time of social distancing and quarantine and social lockdown. So let's go over, and I'm going to switch over really quickly to just a couple screen stills so I can show you how to use the Zoom app. Okay, and this is what the home screen of the Zoom app looks like. So once you've downloaded the Zoom app onto your phone or device and you've signed up and registered for an account, when you open the Zoom app, you want to look at the top bar where it says New Meeting, Join, Schedule, and Share Screen. Make sure you click on the screen that says Join with the plus icon. Once you click that, you will go to this screen which says Join a Meeting. All you need to do is type in the number address. It's like a meeting code that you have. It's like 9 or 10 digits, but what I'll do is I'll provide that to you. You punch it in. You want to make sure that your audio and your video is on. You can even put in your name or a nickname where it says join with a personal link name underneath there, and that's the name that will pop up on the screen when I see you. And then you'll join the meeting room. And of course, if you're joining a little bit early, like closer to 3, just make sure the meeting is actually live, but you can join the meeting and wait for it to start, and then we can commence with the learning. So let's see how this goes. I look forward to seeing all of you, and take care.